Hey, what's up guys? So today's video topic is what if your browser could think for you? Imagine a web browser that not only show you website but actually help you to understand them. That is exactly what Comet Browser is designed to do. Let's explore the new AI powered browser from Perplexity AI that might change how we use internet. So let's start with the basic one. What actually is Comet Browser? So Comet Browser is a new browser made by Perplexity AI, the same company behind the smart AI search engine. But this is not just another Chrome or Firefox. Comet is built especially with artificial intelligence to help you browse fast, work smart and save time. It works like a personal assistant. You can ask it questions, get summarize of websites, organize your tab, and even complete small tasks for you. And yes, it built on Chromium, so it look and feel like Chrome but with superpower. Okay, now try to understand the Comet browser with some real-life use cases. First one is for student and researcher. If you are doing a school project or work research, Comet can explain you tough topic, summarize long article, and answer questions right on the page. No need to Google everything again and again. Now imagine you are shopping something online, looking for best deals. Comet can compare prices, find discounts, and even recommend better options. You could say find the best phone under 30,000 and it will show you topics. Even managing emails and tasks is easier with Comet. Feel burn in emails? Comet can help you by summarize them and drafting reply. It can help you setting up meetings and reminders, all without opening new tabs. Other thing that you can do with Comet browser is like personalized browsing. Comet learn how you browse. Can't remember a recipe or article from the last night? Just ask Comet, it will find it for you instantly. And you can do the multitasking easily, like planning a trip. Comet can search flights, compare options, and help you book all in one go. You do less clicking and more doing. Now, you might be wondering, can I try this browser today? Well, here's a deal for Perplexity Max subscriber. Right now, only people on the premium plan called Perplexity Max can use Comet. This plan costs you about $200 per month, so it's mainly for professionals or power users. Other option is invite-only waitlist. If you don't want to pay, you can still join the waitlist. Perplexity is sending out the invite slowly, and you might even get the few invites to share with the friends. Now, let's talk about the supported device. Comet is available on the Windows PC and Mac with M1 and M2 chips. Other older Macs wouldn't work yet, and for Android, it's coming soon. So, here are some final thoughts on the Comet browser. Comet is not just a browser, it's like having an AI co-pilot while you explore the internet. But yes, some people have the privacy concern because Comet help you manage emails and calendar. It might ask for the permission to access the personal accounts. So make sure to check the settings before diving in. So what do you think? Would you use a browser that help you think, search and shop better? Let us know in the comment section, and if you are curious, join the waitlist at comet.perplexity.ai and see what the future of browser look like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech videos like this.